So here's my knuckle. The other one was broken off. I replaced that one. This one I'm going to replace too, since I'm up here. So you have a Phillips right here. Then you have a T20 underneath this sleeve. So take these off. All right, so I got them off. I'll just take some vice grips and just kind of yank it off. So that the bottom one came out. So it really doesn't take much to take them out. So here's the interesting thing. They have holes for the screws. So if you look at the OEM part, this is a JK OEM top. So I got the OEM part. So if you look at it, it doesn't have any holes. They say, you know, it's an easy replacement, direct fit. I mean, it's the same part. But you have to drill holes. So I have a 1/8 drill bit. So I'm gonna put the knuckle in here, then drill holes. I'm gonna slide that back and then so it fits in here. All right, so I got it in there. I'll drill. Do you want to go too far? Okay. And then I'll drill the one over on the side. All right. So got them drilled in T20, so I'm gonna just since I didn't actually drill all the way through, it's gotta. I should have put this sleeve. Yeah, so I screwed up. I should have put the sleeve forward before putting it on there. All right, so I moved it, and I'll put the screw back in to the sleeve, and then we'll screw that down. So we get that one in, and then we'll screw this one in again. And this one's a Phillips, so we'll screw that one. Okay, so that one's in. Knuckle's done. Had the knuckle on the other one done, and that's it. So with the right tools, 15 minutes, but the annoying part is the holes you have to drill in there.